This is my Harbor Freight cart. Not a Snap-on, although most people don't seem to know the difference, which is kind of funny. But this is how I have my box set up. I have all my sockets, ratchets, extensions, screwdrivers, smaller pry bars, old screwdrivers, blowguns, lady fingers. This drawer, oil filters, my probe, brake tool, just some odds and ends. I don't get into that drawer all that much. This drawer has my everyday hand tools, wrenches, adjustables, or not wrenches, but pliers, dikes, all that good stuff. And this one has my picks, small screwdrivers, electrical, probe, miscellaneous, some tire tools, blah blah blah. This drawer, my cornrow standard, gear wrench metric, cornrow ratcheting, and Allen's. And on my big drawer, my quarter set right there, hammers, impacts, hammer, other pry bars, all that good stuff. Now, this has been a great box. I've had it for a few months, no complaints, except for I wish it was just a hair bigger. So, I just got this. It's a hair bigger. I need to get my tools moved over and I'll do another video and we'll see how everything works out. See ya.